my channel. In this video we are going to code about find the greatest number among three numbers in Java. Okay, let's get into the code. We need three integers, int a equal to 100, comma b equal to 200, comma c equal to 300. Among these three we have to find the greatest number. Okay, we need if statement. If a greater than or equal to b and then a greater than or equal to c, a greater than or equal to c, then obviously a is greater, so print a is greater. Now print ln of a is greater. Okay, if this not happens, means if a is not greater than or equal to b or not greater than or equal to c, then we need else if statement. Else if statement. In this we have to write code for b. If b is greater than or equal to a and then b greater than or equal to c, then print b is greater. Now code for a is completed and code for b is completed. Now the remaining is only c, so we need directly we will write c because c is the last integer. So if a is not greater, b is not greater, then only c, confirmly c is greater. So let's print this on the top of print c is greater. Okay, let's run this. By seeing this we can say that among 100, 200, 300 c is greater output should be. So let's run the code. Here it is, c is greater because among a b c c is greater, c is 300. Okay guys, thank you, and also please watch my next video, which is a one line code for finding this whole part, means greatest among three numbers. Thank you.